In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your smartphone wirelessly to your Canon camera using Wi-Fi for free. And if you're a beginner, you can use this method as a budget-friendly monitor for your camera. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. All you need for this tutorial is your smartphone, your Canon camera. Over here I have the Canon 80D and a Hotshoe. I'm going to be leaving the link to the Hotshoe down in the description below. Click the link to get one. Head over to Google Play Store and search for Canon Camera Connect. So I'm just going to install it. Next, click on open, and immediately you open the app, just scroll down and click on agree. Next, click on allow, and also scroll down again, click on agree, click on agree. So you can just go through this, or you can just click on skip. Next, click on get started. Next, head over to the camera and go through the settings. Head over to your camera and click on the menu button. Now on the menu button, go to the third page over here. Click on the third page, then scroll down, you will see wireless communication settings. Next, click on the wireless communication settings, then click on the Wi-Fi/NFC. Click on it and click on enable. So immediately you enable it, click on OK and click on OK. Next, just register a name and it will automatically select your camera name. So just click on OK and click on OK. Next, head over to Wi-Fi function and click on smartphone. Now as you click on smartphone, just click it again and make sure you select easy connection. Immediately you select easy connection, click on OK. Next, we'll need the encryption key. So just head over to your smartphone, go to the Wi-Fi settings, and now as you can see, this is the camera over here. Just click on it. So I'm just going to type in the encryption key as the password. Next, click on connect, and now as you can see, it has successfully connected to the camera. Next, go back to the app and it automatically detects the camera. So just click on it, and now as you can see on the camera, it is showing my phone. I'm just going to click on OK. And now as you can see, we have successfully connected to the smartphone. So just click on OK. Now on the app, click on functions, and from functions, this is where you can now use it as a monitor. Just click on remote live view shooting. And now as you can see, this is the camera here and this is the phone here. So now from your phone, you can also adjust the settings like the ISO. You can adjust it from here and other settings. So if you want to go to full screen, just click on the arrow to go back and rotate your phone. So I'm just going to connect my phone to the Hotshoe, and now as you can see, I've connected the phone to the Hotshoe. So if I do any settings here, you will see it over here. If I zoom in and zoom out, you will see it over here. And now as you can see, I've successfully connected my smartphone wirelessly to the camera using it as a monitor. If you want to purchase the Hotshoe, do not forget to click the link on the bio to purchase the Hotshoe. And as a beginner, this option will help you a lot, especially if you don't have a small monitor or your camera does not have a flip screen. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. See you in my next video.